And a quick trip to Boca Grande this morning. Stopped at a little coffee and pastry shop. Girls, what'd you guys get?
A latte was not an egg.
Oh, there's the eclairs. Let's see what they look like, Theresa. Vanilla eclairs, right?
Well, you can't really tell.
Yeah. They're gonna be tasty.
Cannoli, that's what I got.
And you got cannoli, right? All right, and just going through Boca Grande. It is a golf cart friendly island where you'll see a lot of golf carts as people drive around the island for restaurants and all sorts of other things. Some absolutely gorgeous houses on this island. Definitely pricey. We're here at a marina in Rotunda West by our friends. They have a boat. They keep it in these dry docks. You can see this boat's getting launched. That's not theirs, but it's pretty impressive to see these forklifts come and grab these boats, take them out of these storage bins, and then launch them. In these storage sheds here, it's kind of hard to see, but there are just boat after boat stored in there, out of the Florida sun and getting ready to get launched. All right, and we are at our friends Wayne and Ellie's boat here. Wayne, what'd you end up getting here? This was a
268 Commander.
268 Commander Sea Fox. Just came in, so he's still breaking it in. Beautiful boat. Hoping to get down here and fish with them a little bit more often than we have been, but for today, a little rough out, so we're just gonna take a trip up to Venice, maybe hit up a couple of waterfront bars and restaurants, and you know, definitely better than the 12 degrees it is back home in Pennsylvania. Slowly working our way up the intercoastal to get to Venice, Florida. Gonna check in up there.
got another channel.
Alright, we just pulled the boat into the crow's nest, and girls are over there enjoying a drink.
Say hello.
Boys are over here enjoying a drink, waiting for some snacks. I'll show you those when they come out. Alright, food is out. We've got grouper bites, some sesame tuna, and some oysters. This should be delicious. Alright, we returned to port after a long day of boating and some nice weather down here.
Look how small that tugboat is, the one that pushes all the barges.